Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. And yeah, I hope that you're all doing well. This second wave of COVID-19 have affected so many of us. Many of us have lost their near and dear ones. My deepest condolences to those who have lost their dear ones and their near ones. And it's a very difficult times. I don't have any words to express how you're going through, but I pray that may God give His peace and His comfort to you and to your family members. Be positive, stay home and stay safe. Okay guys, today I'm here with an amazing recipe because I received this amazing tin fish. Tuna bhi ase, mackerel bhi ase, and tomato sauce la bhi ase. Varieties of tin fish you can get there. So I'm so happy. If you want to buy it, then I will drop the link in the description box. You can buy it from there. So today I'm going to make this, yes, simple recipe. This is my mother's version of making tin fish. So today I'm going to follow that. Let's start cooking. Today I'm going to cook this mackerel. You can make varieties of recipe from this fish tin. But today I will be using this mackerel. First add oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil. Now we will wait for the oil to get heat. Okay guys, the oil is heated. Now first of all we will add this ginger and garlic. Then add these green chilies. Add these chopped onions. We will fry it till the onions turns in brown color. We will add little bit of haldi powder. Jeera powder and dhania powder. Stir it well. Then we will add these chopped potatoes. Then add some salt. When fried in a medium flame, then we will cover it. We won't add the tomatoes now, because if we add the tomatoes now, the potatoes wouldn't become soft. So once the potatoes are cooked properly, we will add these tomatoes. By the time, guys, we will use this chopper to make tomato puree. Remove the eye of the tomatoes. Don't forget to check the link in the description box to buy this chopper. We will try to open this one also. I have this opener, so I'm using this one. If you don't have this opener, then do some jugaad. Keep the knife here and you can open like this. Okay. Since I have this, I'm going to use this. Okay, it's nicely open. By the way, you can cook the same recipe with these varieties of tin fish, but if you are using this tomato sauce, let me show you. Yeah, tomato sauce. Don't use fresh tomato in the recipe, because in this tin fish already tomato sauce is there. If you add more tomato, then your curry will become tomato. So if you are using this one, don't use tomato. Okay guys, let's check our tomato potatoes. I've been frying this like 10 minutes. Now it's cooked. So now it's the right time to add these tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, you can cook like 3 to 4 minutes. The potatoes and the tomatoes are cooked nicely. आलू भी एकदम बहुत सॉफ्ट हुई है. Now we are going to add this tin fish. Oh my God. This is how my mom cook her tin fish recipe. If you want to mash this tin fish, you can do that, but I'm not going to do that. If you want more gravy, then you can add some water. Now the water is almost dried up. तो अजिला रेसिपी होइसे. Those who like king chili, you can add king chilies also. Wow, man palace. Like it's a good company also. Really, it's too good. Well guys, it's so nice, it's so tasty. Now I'm waiting for my husband to come and let him taste this tin fish recipe. I think he has not eaten this fried version. He has eaten this with bamboo shoot only. So this will be his first time. I hope he will like it. Well, we are going to enjoy it with rice, and I really hope that you like watching this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new videos you will get a notification. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.